Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson on horizontal rules and preformatted text. So horizontal rule is a separator. I have in front of me a live preview of what this page looks like. It's just a heading at the moment with a whole bunch of paragraphs in it. And if I want to perhaps make a horizontal separator between, say, paragraph 2 and 3, I can just add in an HR tag. Notice it doesn't have a closing tag, but it is also a block level element. So if we refresh, you'll see a gray line has been added as a separator between those two paragraphs. And maybe I want another one over here. I can do the same thing. And you'll see I have another gray line as a separator. Now in terms of the CSS, there's not that much one can do to this, but I'll just add a quick inline, a new rule here. I need to I've got a separate CSS file, and in there I'll just make let's see if we set the color, will it make a difference? Somehow I don't think so. Don't forget to add in the link tag to that style sheet. Okay, so that made no difference whatsoever. Let's try a background color instead of a foreground color. Notice the spelling of color is the American spelling. So the background color actually did make a difference. So if you want to change the color of your separator, simply just set the background color. And that is how you add a horizontal rule into your document. So next up, we're going to look at preformatted text. Now we said before that if we had to write something like this, it would ignore the spacing. Let's have a look what happens. There you can see it's all come out in one line, totally ignoring the spacing. But we have a special tag in HTML known as the pre tag, which is also a block level element, and it is short for preformatted text. Anything that you enclose in pre tags actually do take the spacing into account. So you can see here that it's rendered it exactly the way I've typed it. So if there's anytime when you have a situation where you want to preserve this formatting of something, then just enclose it in pre-tags. And so that brings us to the end of a lesson in horizontal rules and preformatted text.